Come all ye loyal heroes, wherever ye may be. Day 27 of the Lockdown Singsong. We're still at it. Plenty of songs to go. Delighted that so many are getting so much out of it, and delighted to play any requests. The songbooks are large, and there's no song too old, too young, but try and keep them Irish if you don't mind. We're going to, today's song is a little gentle reminder that we might be in tough times, but compared to generations gone by, they're not too bad at all. People that had to plough the Rocks of Bawn, like this song suggests. And I always get reminded of this song when I go to Inisheer, beautiful island, one of the Aran Islands off the coast of Ireland, for those of you who haven't been. And they literally farmed the rocks down there and brought bucketful after bucketful after freezing bucketful of seaweed and sand to make land where there wasn't land, and put ground where there wasn't any on top of the rocks. And if that wasn't hardship, compared to us, they can go down to the shop and get our supplies, and we're in nice warm weather, we're wanting for nothing really. And just to keep it all in perspective, there was worse times to be living in. So that's the Rocks of Bawn. So that's why I'm doing that song today, just to remind you. And it's a beautiful song. And I'd like to sing it especially for two very special people out there that got married this day 4 years ago in Wicklow. In fact, I was at their wedding. So Trina Cox and Philip Cassidy, congratulations on your 4th anniversary. I can't believe it's been that long. It doesn't seem like that long ago. Time is flying. And since then, you're happily settled in Glencar with the lovely Keola, who's 3, and the lovely Barra Cassidy, who's 1. So congratulations. Have a great day and have a great anniversary. And fair play to you. I'd like to also play it for Matthias out in Austria, and Liz Kane down in Galway, Lucy Luff over in Washington, Tally in Vancouver, the Laws in Roscommon, the fantastic Mick Daly down in the People's Republic of Cork, Lorraine Flynn, I don't know whether you're in Dublin or Mullingar, but hello, and Celeste Clark, I know you're out in Seattle. Thanks for the Easter messages. So without further ado, let's sing the Rocks of Bawn. Oh, wait, now I have to tell you though, after I posted the lyrics last night, I discovered, kind of did it in a hurry and took them down from the interweb, and then discovered some glaring great mistakes. So it's funny actually, because somebody obviously was listening to the recording and wrote down what they thought they heard. So come all you loyal heroes, wherever you may be, don't toil with any master till you know what your work will be. For you must rise up early from the clear daylight till the dawn, or you never will be able to plough the Rocks of Bawn. Rise up, Gallant Sweeney, and give your horse some hay, and give him a good feed of oats before you go away or start your day sometimes. Don't feed him on soft turnips, put him out on yon green lawn, or he never will be able to plough the Rocks of Bawn. My curse upon you, Sweeney, you have me nearly robbed. You're sitting by the fireside. Written here is with your feet upon the hob, but really should be with your doogeen in your gob. And a doogeen, for those of you who might know, is an old pipe, and they used to make them up in the crockery in County Roscommon, doogeen land. You're sitting by the fireside from the clear daylight till the dawn, and you never will be able to plough the Rocks of Bawn. The rest of it is correct, but I'm just correcting those little errors. So here we go. Come all ye loyal heroes, wherever you may be. Don't toil with any master till you know what your work will be. For you must rise up early from the clear day or you never will be able to blow the rocks of Bawn. Rise up now, gallant Sweeney, and give your heart some hay, and give 'em a good feed of oats before you go away. Don't feed 'em on soft turnip, put 'em out on yon green lawn, or he never will be able to blow the rocks of Bawn. My curse upon you, Sweeney, you have me nearly round. You're sitting by the fireside with your Eugene in your gown. You're sitting by the fireside from the clear daylight till dawn, and you never will be able to blow the rocks of Bawn. I wish the Queen of England would send for me in time and put me in some regiment, all in my youth and prime. I will fight for Ireland's glory from the clear daylight till dawn, and I never will return again to blow the rocks of Bawn. No, I never will return again to blow the rocks of Bawn. Thank you so much, folks. That's day 27 over and done with. And we'll see you on day 28 at the same time, 5 o'clock GMT. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you think anyone could do with a song in their life, by all means, share. And if you want any requests, I'll do my best. I have a large repertoire to get through, so that's no bother. Yeah, take care of yourselves till tomorrow, same time, same place. Bye.